What's up, guys? Welcome back to a video. James, can you please pause this? Could you please pause TG?
Why?
Because it's in the background.
I'm watching it while you're streaming.
I can't stream.
While you're videoing.
So, guys, we're playing Beast Farm Simulator.
Did you mumble?
What?
You mumbled. You said shoo.
We're playing Beast Farm Simulator, boy. Like, yeah.
Hello, my name's Yofaf.
My
Yeah, Yofaf.
name's Yofaf. So, we have James here. He's staying the night, boys.
What's up?
Wait, come drops. Jay, want to collab with us?
Sure.
Join us. Go get your phone. Just join us.
Your mom is in the shower.
I don't think she is, though. Just go join. Just join me, James. Bro, I want James to collab with us. Leave a like down below if you want James to collab with us. Oh yeah.
Look at the menu.
I know they light up. It's cool.
No, they changed black. They changed black.
Yeah, I know.
Alright, dude, I'm gonna collab with you.
All right, join us in Beast Farm.
Alright. I don't know what game that is.
But look at my pizza merch, boy.
So why am I on
What?
Dude, there's no way I can record. I can't record any of my crap that I do. Dude, do you think if I record me on COD?
You want to collab in MSM? Bro, we should collab in Roblox a lot together. What?
You wanna collab in PUBG? Oh, no, we can't.
I can on YouTube, but this is kind of a good spot. I like this. I like it. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. I'm gonna go do brown bear quests.
You didn't see that?
What?
Okay, dude. What's your user?
It's Shark Boy. It's Shark Boy 0814 0813.
Got it.
What's the challenge? Wait, I need to see the challenge, boys. Oh, okay, I got it. You got me friended already, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Collab on Arsenal?
After. No. We'll do that a different day on YouTube.
Why not tonight?
Cause we already have to make our beds whenever I'm done.
Dude, my bed's already made.
I know, but I have to make mine.
Dude,
God, Liberty
why don't
dude.
you just put it how you're gonna sleep?
That's what my mom means.
Yeah.
That's a Ferrari? OMG.
Yes, that's a Ferrari.
Dude, don't unpause it. Cause I want them to be able to hear us.
Dude, they can hear it.
Sorry about the shaking, guys. Stop.
What did I do?
No, I'm talking about the shaking of the camera because my leg is hitting it.
Did you say stop?
Okay, I gotta go back and talk to Black Bear, guys.
Alright, you guys, I literally just...
Come closer, bro.
Where you going? Where you going?
Bro, come closer. What is it? 200 honey? Okay. Alright, let's leave the quest open. If what?
If y'all hear me saying anything weird in the background, I'm not sorry.
Like what?
Like, I know you want some, yo, what's up, Shark Boy?
What's that?
What's up? I've never played this game before.
It's pretty cool. Did you get a thing yet?
Yes.
Other more person styles shorts play. Alright, let's go. Yeah, you gotta convert the pollen into honey. How much honey do I have?
I'd rather really just play a different game.
I'm playing this, bro.
You wanna hop on?
You don't gotta collab with me if you don't want to.
My mom's calling. Sorry, guys, if you hear me. What's up? Yeah.
Did you just want something?
Yeah, so what's up?
Say hello, Mom.
Hello, Mom. No, we're just streaming on YouTube right now. With the LEDs on and everything, just watching TV in the background. He's on his.
Are you spending the money?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. You didn't say you're spending the money.
Yeah,
When are you coming home?
tomorrow.
Is she gonna bring you home in the morning?
Amber, she's bringing me home before I go to my aunt's.
When's that?
I have no clue. You have to text my mom.
I'll just ask her.
You're okay. I just want to make sure because I have to work in the morning.
Oh, alright. Well, me and Gino are just me and Gino have the Gino has the coolest setup right now. He's streaming on his computer. We're collabing right now on YouTube. So yeah.
I love you.
Love you. Bye.
Guys, I'm super happy I have this stuff to, you know, play. Bro, 20 plus happiness. Let's go. Bro, we should do like a long video.
Dude, I
Like-
don't know.
Like just showing how to get cracked at the game, bro.
Dude, I'm honestly hopping on Adopt Me.
Okay.
Is that what you're gonna do?
Bro, we honestly should do a video on Adopt Me after this. Honestly. Honestly.
You wanna collab with me on Adopt Me?
Sure, guys. After this video, go check out. We're gonna be collabing on Adopt Me, boys. Okay. So yeah, go.
Dude, I'm literally on Adopt Me right now.
I know.
And if y'all wanna add me, my username.
JShark 081 0814.
So if y'all ain't hacking me. Alright, no, my username is seriously JShark0814.
But not JAY. It's just the J Shark. No caps.
So if y'all wanna add me, also add me.
You guys can play.
And if there's any girls out there, I'm single.
Oh shoot, Jane. Bro, you are like Bareski.
Oh, and by the way, I have a secret.
Alright, about the next one.
Does any other pet do like animations?
Yeah, they all do tricks.
No, my pet does like animations.
Like what?
Like, it'll pop up on this one animation.
Bro, we should
This
just
guy
go.
drinking coffee, and then he gets kicked in the ball.
What?
Yeah.
Confused.
My pet is epic. That was my horsey.
I can just do this.
This girl has a starter egg, but she has a freaking hoverboard. What the crap is this lady doing?
Bro, I will use my Robux and I will buy a hoverboard right now.
Trade me.
I will use my Robux and I will buy a hoverboard on YouTube right now.
Hold on, no, you still have to give me that rideable potion.
Yeah, when I get my Robux.
Did you hear me, pet?
I don't know how many pets I can trade you.
For my She-Hulk horse and my pony and my penguin.
Holy crap, I'm
Dude,
a
I almost
dog.
got a flyable video earlier. I almost scammed a guy out of flying on my shows.
Yeah, I know. I know. I was there. You were there, James. I was there.
No, I almost scammed a guy out of a flyable video.
Yeah, I saw it, broski.
Broski, give me some pills on the shield. What in the red fox is that? I'll trade you this bit, and this bit.
Alright, guys.
Dude, there's a rideable narwhal, a rideable
Bruh.
horse, a rideable bee. There's a
Do it. Do
There's
it.
an ultra rare lamb, and there is a clownfish.
Do it.
This girl is cracked on us.
Alright, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll watch that Adopt Me video.